Okay, students, let us continue Second World War, its courses. See, Second World War happened in 1939 and it was ended in 1945. We already discussed about the causes of uh, Second World War. Now let us see the course of the war. See, in 1939, September 1, Germany invaded Poland. Then England and France declared war on Germany on September 3rd, and Poland was invaded by Germany, and Russia and Germany made their own agreements regarding the division of Poland. Germany also invaded Denmark and Norway in 1940. Russian conquest continued, especially Russia wanted to annex Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, etc. And there was conquest by Germany on Luxembourg, Belgium, and Holland in 1940 May. Then there was war between Germany and France, war between Germany and England. War continued, and Hitler and Mussolini fought very bravely. Then Italy also entered in Second World War in 1940. Italian armies conquered British Somaliland in East Africa and entered Egypt. Then at that time, Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of England. Then Romania, Bulgaria, Hungary were all supported Germany, and there was agreement between Germany and Russia regarding mutual protection, mutual support, but that provision was violated by Hitler, and Hitler attacked Russia on June 22nd, 1941. Hitler's armies attacked or invaded Russia without giving any warning or ultimatum. So Russia came forced to participate in Second World War, and Russia joined with England and France. Japan also, in the Far East, Japan was a danger to other countries, especially to England, USA, and all. And Pearl Harbor incident we already discussed. It was happened in 1941 December 7. Japanese airplanes attacked American ships in Pearl Harbor in Hawaii, and heavily bombed it without giving any warning. And this was considered as the most cowardice or treacherous and unprovoked act. And this USA entered in Second World War, and there was rapid victories in the initial stage for Japan and Germany, Italy. In 1941, Russians suffered heavily at the hands of German invaders, and Britain also retreated in Africa because British forces also faced continuous defeat from Germany and Italy. Ultimately, the Axis powers means Rome Berlin Axis, that is Germany, Italy, Japan. These powers, they faced collapse, they faced defeat from 1942 onwards, and as USA's entry into war was great support to the Allies, and they had USA already supplied very strong armies, very modern weapons and all, and because of the entry of USA and also the combined attack of Britain, France, USA, and Russia, the Allied forces, the Axis forces, that is Germany, Italy, Japan, they were forced to surrender one by one. And in 1943, Mussolini had to resign from his post in Italy, and Marshal Badoglio became the prime minister, and Mussolini was overthrown, and he was forced to surrender in the Second World War. Germany also surrendered in 1945 because there was no way, because all other forces, British, American, Canadian, Russian, French forces were very overwhelmed Germany, and Hitler's death was announced, and Berlin was collapsed on May 2nd, 1945. Ultimately, Germany was surrendered, and Japan was also on the verge of surrendering. Japan was also ready to surrender, but at that time USA President Roosevelt died on April 12, 1945, and Harry S. Truman, he was a vice president, became the president of America. So that was a turning point in American history as well as in world history, and he took the momentous decision of crushing Japan by bombarding, by atomic bombing. So on August 6th, 1945, Hiroshima was bombarded. The first atomic bomb in world history was dropped on the city of Hiroshima, Japan, and on August 9, second bombing was thrown on the city of Nagasaki. So this surrender of Japan was also completed, and on September 2nd, 1945, Japan was completely surrendered, and Japan signed the treaties, and that was the end of Second World War. Here also it is clearly seen Americans attacked. There was a clash between Japan and America earlier also. Americans attacked Pacific Islands controlled by Japan. US destroyed fleet of Japan, and Japan had strong control in China. So there was attacking between Japan and US that was continued, and that was reflected in that hatred was reflected in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Then you will see the bombing Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Before dropping the atomic bomb on Japan, they dropped a leaflet warning about deadly weapon, advising Japan's people and government to end the fighting. So first bombing in Hiroshima, then in Nagasaki. So Second World War fought for 6 long years. This is the picture showing the Pearl Harbor incident on 7th December 1941. US enters World War II, already discussed. Then Island of Hopping campaign, that is US forces attacked the island after island by the Japanese. So there was campaign and conflict between USA and Japan. Then Japanese soldiers, they were fighting Japan was very difficult for other countries because the Japanese warriors were very brave and fierce, and they never gave up. They were very always ready to sacrifice themselves for the country. Then this is in February 1945, American forces invaded the island of Iwo Jima. The islands were important because it was close to Japan and it was good place for US planes to land. So Japanese protected the island with traps and underground tunnels. It was a fierce battle, but US Marine eventually took the island. So USA defeated Japan in this battle. Then you will see the aircraft carrier hit by kamikaze planes. This is Japan was attacked by USA. Then the bomb name Enola Gay that dropped the little boy atomic bomb. So the name of the bomb is Little Boy, and the vehicle of bombing was Enola Gay. And on August 6, 1945, USA dropped the atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima. The bomb was known as Little Boy, an uranium gun type bomb that exploded with about 13 kilotons of force. At the time of bombing, Hiroshima there were people, millions of people were there. They were died between 90,000 to 1,66,000 people were believed to have died from the bomb in the 4-month period. And USA dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima. The bomb was Little Boy. Here, US Department of Energy has estimated that after 5 years there were perhaps 2 lakh or more fatalities as a result of bombing, while the city of Hiroshima was estimated 2 lakh 37,000 people were killed directly or indirectly by the bomb's effect, including burns, radiation, sickness, cancer. And bombing of Hiroshima, codenamed Operation Center Board. First, it was approved by Curtis Lay on August 4, 1945. Then B-29 plane that carried little boy from Tinijan Island in the western Pacific to Hiroshima was known as Enola Gay. So Enola Gay was the name of the plane, B-29 plane. The name of the plane is Enola Gay and the name of the bomb is Little Boy. See, here is a picture of Enola Gay, the plane. Then this is the after effect of bombing. So this is a destructive picture of Hiroshima. Nagasaki also same thing happened, all burnt, nothing is there. Then in Nagasaki on August 9th, Nagasaki bombarding was made by USA. The name of the bomb is nuclear bomb is Fat Man, also known as Mark III. It is a code name for the type of nuclear bomb that was detonated over the Japanese city of Nagasaki by USA. So this was the second atomic bomb dropped on Nagasaki. And August 9, 829 kiloton plutonium device known as Fat Man. On the day of bombing, 2,63,000 people were killed, in which Japanese resident soldiers, prisoners of war are all there. And it is estimated that between 40,000 to 70,000 people died immediately at the spot, and other 60,000 became very injured. So total deaths, it may increase. So this is the picture when explosion was happened. This is the memory building made after in remembrance of the victims of bombing. So atomic bomb on August 6, 1945. First atomic bomb ever used on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Then second bomb. Both cities were completely destroyed. Okay. So what was the Holocaust? Nazi planned to kill all Jews. Why? Hitler provided Germans this because by killing Jews, Hitler promised that Germany will get more place for German people, and thereby Germany's problems will be solved. So 6 million Jews murdered in camps in Europe, 5 million others, total 11 million exterminated. So genocide was happened. Genocide means purposely trying to exterminate an entire group of people. Ethnically, religiously, racially, the entire group of people are exterminated or killed by using different means is called genocide. So Holocaust, throughout Hitler's rule, Nazis persecuted Jews and other minorities, and Hitler blamed all Germany's problem after First World War on Jewish people, and economically, socially, they were all persecuted. Jews were persecuted. Jews were rounded up and forced to concentration camps where millions died, and he was responsible for more than 6 million Jews. They were killed between 1933 to 1945. As the Allies advanced through Europe, they captured concentration camps and freed the Jews that were still alive. Then Germany surrendered to the Allies on May 7, 1945. The next day is called VE Day, Victory Europe Day. People who thrilled and celebrated all over Europe in USA. Here you can see the Allied powers, Great Britain, leaders Winston Churchill, Soviet Union, Joseph Stalin, USA, first Franklin Roosevelt, then in 1945 when Roosevelt died, Harry Truman became the president and he declared bombing of Japan. The Axis powers, leaders Adolf Hitler in Germany, Mussolini in Italy, and Emperor Hirohito in Japan. Earlier there was Tojo. This is a picture of Roosevelt who is signing. This is Stalin. Churchill. This is Churchill, Winston Churchill of Britain. This is Roosevelt of America. Joseph Stalin of Russia. Churchill of Britain. Roosevelt, Stalin, and Churchill together. This is Truman. Here also Churchill, Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of Great Britain during World War I. He was a writer and a politician and served British Army. Was a symbol of fighting spirit of British. Stalin, Joseph Stalin of Russia, Soviet Union, and even though Soviet Union was allied power, Stalin was a dictator like Hitler and Mussolini. He had complete control over his country and often had his enemies killed. Soviet Union. So Stalin was able to capture Berlin in 1945. Germany's capital. Earlier they made agreement, Germany and Russia made agreement, but it was violated by Germany and Russia forced to fight against Germany. This is Hitler, Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler in the next chapter, Fascism and Nazism. We will discuss in detail. Adolf Hitler was the dictator of Germany during World War I. He joined the German army during World War I and afterwards became the leader of small political party called National Socialist German Workers' Party. This is also important because Nazism and Fascism are important causes of Second World War. So in 1933, Adolf Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany and slowly increased his power and he attained total control over the country. And he promised that he can rebuild Germany, he can strengthen German army under his leadership. At first his army was successful, but at last Germany lost the war. And it is considered that Hitler was responsible for the deaths of over 6 million Jews during the Second World War. And in 1945, Germany surrendered and Hitler committed suicide in May 1945. This is a picture of Benito Mussolini. He was the dictator of Italy during Second World War and before. He was trained as a school teacher and later joined Italian army, and he became the leader of Italian fascist party and slowly took control of every aspect of Italy's government. And he also promised that under fascism and under Mussolini they would able to control people and they would make Italy a strong country. So Mussolini increased the size of Italy's military forces. He strengthened Italian military, and Italy conquered Ethiopia, Albania in Africa. In 1936, Mussolini signed a treaty with Hitler and joined Second World War. And Italy surrendered to Allies in 1943 because Mussolini lost power and he escaped. but he was captured and killed by Italians in 1945. Hirohito was a Japanese dictator, and he had a strong tradition of nationalism. Japan maintained the tradition of nationalism, and Japan believed that their emperor Hirohito was descended from a god. So the military had a lot of power in his government. So he strengthened military, waged war with other countries, and tried to expand the empire of Japan. This is Hirohito. Then let us see the participation, women participation in Second World War. It is referred that by 1945 more than 12 million men were in the armed services. When most of the young men went off to the fighting in Europe or in Pacific or in other countries for waging war in Second World War, women had to take care of the domestic as well as the social life. So they took part in plays. They worked by replacing men, and they worked in factories. Over 2 million women took jobs in American industries. By the time war ended, 1/3 of people working in US business and industry were women. So women were actively participated. They supported the economy of every country. They worked hard. They worked in factories, industries, and in several places, even in agriculture. And also they supplied weapons and all. They supported their men in war. Then government created a poster showing energetic young women in overall ready to do the job he left behind. So she was called Rosie the River. Women were called Rosie the River, and women symbolize the many women working in factory jobs. So many women helped build airplanes and ships by fastering metal plates together with the clamps called rivers. Then result of Second World War. First one is defeat of Axis power, that is defeat of Germany, Italy, Japan. Then formation of UNO, United Nations Organization, to preserve international peace and security, and also to avoid another world war. Then another result is Cold War. Cold War between USA and USSR. Then war cost US debt 1940, it was $9 billion, and it increased within 5 years into $98 billion. So World War II cost is $330 billion. So 10 times the cost of First World War. 10 times the cost of First World War. So Second World War was very costly and very dangerous war, and it was equivalent to the previous federal spending since 1776. So it was a huge amount. This was the picture of people died in the war field in the Second World War. Then losses of major wartime powers in Second World War. Germany military lost 4.5 million military lost. 2 million civilians were lost. Japan 2 million military and 3,50,000 civilians. In Italy 4 lakh military and 1 lakh civilians. They were all killed. Then China 2.5 million military and 7.4 million civilians were killed. In USSR 10 million military and 10 million civilians. Great Britain 3 lakh military and 50,000 civilians. France 2 lakh 50,000 military and 3 lakh 50,000 civilians. United States 2 lakh 74,000 military. Then consequences of Second World War in detail. Defeat of Axis powers. By 1942 the tide started, that is Axis powers began to decline, or they began to defeat. Till 1942 there was success for first 3 years. There was success, and from 1939 to 42 it was success for Axis powers, for Germany, Italy and Japan. But after 1942 they started losing. So Allied powers, Britain, France, Soviet Union, USA, they recaptured many territories. Italy was defeated, Rhine was recaptured, and finally defeated Germany. So Hitler committed suicide after defeat on on April 30, 1945. Then Japan also surrendered as a result of bombing at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Then after war, Axis powers had to face what are the consequences they faced. Germany was divided into different zones, and each zone was under the army of Allied powers. West Germany, Federal Republic Germany, then East Germany, German Republic, Democratic Republic. So there were 4 divisions. Japan and Italy also became very weak. Till 1952, American army controlled Japan. Japan was forced to return all territories required. Then another result is formation of UNO. After 2 wars and failures of League of Nations, in 1945, Roosevelt, the President of USA, then Churchill, Prime Minister of Britain, and Stalin, Prime Minister of USSR, they decided to form United Nations in the conference held at Yalta. It was known as Yalta Conference. So they invaded all nations as San Francisco Conference and drew charter of UN. They invited all nations. Another after Yalta, there was San Francisco Conference, in which these 3 leaders invited other nations to prepare charter of UN, that is Constitution for UN. On October 24, 1945, UN was established. And during Second World War, Allied leaders wanted to create an international group to help keep the peace in future. So President Roosevelt suggested the name United Nations, and in 1944 a conference was held in Washington DC that outlined the purpose of UN. Then UN Charter was signed by 50 nations in 1945 in San Francisco. So first there was Alta Conference by 3 leaders, Roosevelt, Churchill and Stalin. Then San Francisco Conference, in which 50 nations participated. The purpose of UN is to resolve international dispute peacefully rather than by war and protect human rights. So its main purpose is to preserve international peace and security. In 1950, UN headquarters was built in New York City. Another consequence is Cold War. During Second World War, USSR and USA fought together. However, towards the end of the war, their harmony became decreased, and extreme political tension was created between 2 nations. They believed in their own ideologies. USSR believed in socialism and communism, but USA believed in capitalism. So their political ideology was different, and that led to Cold War. The state of tension where one country strengthens itself and weaken other with the armed conflict is termed as Cold War. There is no armed conflict, but they made all preparations. Anytime war may happen. So that situation of tension is known as Cold War. So the world was divided into 2 power blocks. That is democratic and capitalist bloc, or Western bloc, led by USA. So in which several countries participated. NATO, CETO, CENTO all made agreements. This is the NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, CETO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, CENTO, Central East Nations Treaty Organization. These were all initiated by USA. So all those countries who wished to join USA bloc were there. They were the part of this bloc, Western bloc, or Democratic and Capitalist bloc. And those who want to support USSR, or those who believe in communist ideology, it's known as Eastern bloc, and they were joined with Russian bloc or USSR bloc. And USSR initiated Warsaw Pact, WARSAW, Warsaw Pact, in which the followers of USSR joined. So thus there were 2 power blocks. So this is the picture of this is the picture showing war field, and this is the picture after the war. So dead bodies were kept. So anyway, war is always painful, dangerous. It should be avoided at any way. Thank you so much.